Hey, how's it going, Daryl and Jose? This is Devin Norton. Thank you so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm just going to really briefly show you 3 things I found on your website that you can fix really quickly and easily to start bringing in customers immediately. I know you're wondering why I would even make this video for you. It's really easy. There's a lot of HVAC companies out there who are really busy just taking care of their customers, and so they don't have the time to learn how to use the internet to get more customers. And so I found that when I give away these attack plans for free, a lot of business owners call me back and say, hey Devin, I like you, can you do this stuff for me? If you want to do this stuff yourself, that's okay. If you want me to help you, give me a call. Either way is okay with me. I'm going to talk to you today about content, backlinks, and citations. Content is everything that you can see on your homepage. By the way, you have a great looking website. It looks like it's professionally designed. I love the photos. I love everything about it. It's a beautiful website, but Google doesn't rank you based off of how beautiful your site is. They want to make sure that you have the most words on it so you can answer all their customers' questions. So the average website on the front page of Google has about 2,000 words on it, and you probably have about 600 to 700. Now, your main competitor in Houston is Total HVAC Houston. You can see right away their website design is kind of similar, but look how much more content it is. You can just keep scrolling and scrolling, and there's just a bunch more words. So that's why they're outranking you. So I would recommend, number 1, get your website up to about 2,000 words, okay? Now, number 2 is you want to have more backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you. So if you see like this is a link, if another website had one of these on their page pointing at your website, that's a backlink. Now, Google wants to see relevant backlinks, which means they're going to give you a lot more power to your website if there's other air conditioning companies and HVAC companies linking to you than if like there was a Pizza Hut or a pizza company linking to you, because Google knows that you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs, and it says that you have 2 websites linking to you. If you want to go to Total HVAC, these guys have 159 websites linking to them. So all you have to do is get like 175 to 180 websites linking to you, and you'll beat them. And the best way to do that is to go see all these different websites they have linking to them, go visit these websites, and click either the create an account button or the contact us button, and get these websites linking back to you. And by following those 2 tips, by having more websites linking to you and by having more content, then you're going to take this number 1 spot. There's 3 spots you can show up on Google. You can show up organically, you can pay for ads, which is really expensive, or you can show up here for free. And you're probably wondering, how do I show up here for free? All you have to do is have more citations than your competitors. A citation is wherever your exact name, your exact address, and your exact phone number are put into directories. And a directory is a website like Yelp where you can put your business's information. So all you got to do is figure out how many directories these guys are in, go put your name, address, and phone number in more than them, and then you'll beat them. So like if these guys have 150 directories, go put yourself in 250 directories. And that's all I've got for you, Daryl and Jose. I hope you found this informative. As a quick recap, you want to have your website up to about 2,000 words on this page, okay? You want to have about 175 to 180 websites linking to you. And then you want to put your name, your address, and your phone number in more directories than these guys. And if you follow these 3 tips, you will be number 1 on all of Google. So you have 2 options now. You can take this information and you can do this all yourself, and that's totally okay with me. I'm just looking to help as many business owners as possible. If you want to continue to run your business and you don't want to worry about doing all this stuff, you want someone else to do it for you, give me a call. I'll talk to you for like 10 minutes to figure out what your goals are, and I'll let you know if I can help you. And if I can't help you, I'll just point you in the right direction to get the help you need. I appreciate you watching this video, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you. Bye.